Hedgehog's Garden Adventure. Once upon a time, in a peaceful meadow near a quiet forest, there lived a small, brave hedgehog named Pippin. Pippin was a curious little creature, always dreaming of the far-off, magical places that might exist just beyond his home. While most hedgehogs like to stay close to their nests, Pippin was different. He wanted to see everything the world had to offer. One evening, as the sun dipped below the trees and the sky filled with stars, Pippin noticed a faint, glowing path leading into the forest. His heart fluttered with excitement. "Maybe this is the adventure I've been waiting for," he whispered, and he set off down the mysterious trail, his tiny paws padding softly over leaves and moss. The path twisted and turned, leading him deep into the forest. Suddenly, he emerged into a breathtaking garden, bathed in soft, magical light. Flowers of every color sparkled as if sprinkled with stardust, and gentle glowing mushrooms lined the way. The air was filled with the scent of sweet blooms, and fireflies danced around, lighting up the garden like tiny floating stars. As Pippin walked further, he spotted a beautiful flower at the heart of the garden, glowing brighter than all the others. This was the star petal, a legendary flower said to shine its brightest when acts of kindness were done nearby. Pippin's eyes sparkled with wonder as he marveled at its beauty. Just then, he noticed a small bird fluttering near the top of a tree, looking anxious and struggling to reach its nest. Without hesitation, Pippin called up, "Do you need help, little friend?" The bird chirped nervously, explaining that a strong gust had knocked her out of her nest, and now she was too tired to fly back. "Climb onto my back," Pippin offered with a kind smile. With a grateful chirp, the bird perched on Pippin's spiky back, and he carefully climbed up a small ledge on the tree trunk. And step by step, he brought her safely back to her nest, where she chirped her thanks and nestled back in. As Pippin turned to go back down, he noticed the star petal shining even brighter, casting a warm, comforting light over the entire garden. He realized that the garden's magic wasn't just in its beauty, it was in the kindness shared by those who visited it. Pippin spent the rest of the night helping others in the garden. He guided a lost caterpillar back to its leaf, shared his warmth with a shivering mouse, and even cheered up a sad firefly. Each time he helped someone, the star petal glowed brighter, lighting up the garden in a gentle, shimmering glow. When dawn approached, Pippin made his way back home, his heart full of happiness and his spirit filled with magic. Every night from then on, Pippin returned to the enchanted garden, knowing that his kindness kept the star petal shining bright for everyone to see. The garden had given him more than he ever imagined. It taught him that sometimes, the most magical adventures come from the smallest, simplest acts of kindness. And so, every night, Pippin would wander through the magical garden, helping any creature he met, spreading light and kindness wherever he went. The end. If you enjoyed Pippin's adventure, be sure to share, like and subscribe this story with a friend who could use a little magic and kindness. And remember, even the smallest acts of kindness can make the world a brighter place. So, keep an eye out for those around you who may need a helping hand. You never know when you might light up someone's day. Good night, sweet dreams.